Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, a floating keyboard is a type of virtual keyboard that can be resized, repositioned, and move around the screen of smartphone or tablet. Then, if you have activated on your device, you can turn it off by doing the following steps. Well, first thing first, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Okay, and here you can see that the floating keyboard is active. So the way to turn it off, you can hold this line and then drag it to the bottom of the screen. After that, release it when the blue line is full. Okay, so here the floating keyboard is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.